Trackizer app full implementation. First of all, what I do, I edit multiple languages part. You can view at L10 and folder. I add English and Turkish subtitles. When we entered the in ENT English, you can view the words like dictionary and their value. In Turkish, it is same K and same value. When we are coded in that, you can view the welcome view, and that will be as of context. Let's start. Welcome screen message. Primary button, let's start. Text, welcome screen message in here. When we click the let's start button, our menu is same as Trackizer. Also I added test add too. When we switch the categories buttons, it is same as the design, and I have added initially one category. Sorry, that's the interstitial add. It is initially added category of security, credit card user, and specify subscription. That is hold on, in entities there are 3 entities in my Flutter app: subscription, credit card, and categories. With these entities we can save the data the user added in Android phone or iOS phone, it doesn't matter. And I have provided services too, so that you can remove, save, update, and add category, credit card, subscription one by one in these buttons. Let's view the add subscription button. First of all, it need a name of this. Also you can change the icons in here. Let's say Microsoft OneDrive tests. That is a subscription start date. Let's say in 29. Okay. Price, it will be 10.9. Credit card name, that is a subscription card, you can choose it. Category, that is a initially added category. Let's add this platform. Select your subscription type: daily, weekly, monthly. Let's say monthly, and it gives our success button. It's a success message. When we update the page, it comes here, and that field will be updated. When we view credit card menu, our icon comes here. Let's add a new card. It will be BMW credit card. Card holder is Macy's. Last 4 digits 45 45 45. Let's say that is a last use date. Let's say save. When we save it, when we updated it, it comes, and this field dynamically changes. I will add in here subscription, but let's add one category too. When we also I added this new field in does not in the designs. It will be category add field. Name BMW category. Icon, you can select your icon: home, security, the transport, trash, cannot budget. Also you can add in here with upload your from device. I will add this in coming days, I hope. Budget is a budget. Let's enter 1000. Save. Our color is important. Let's select green. Save. Save. Your operation saved successfully. When we come here, our BM category comes here and our budget is updated. Let's add some subscriptions in here. It will be a Netflix icon. Also, I will add new icon upload in here. Let's say BM WM5 budget. I will add the money in today, and I will add 90, 100 each. When you click the credit card menu, your new credit card comes here. Let's select it. Your new category comes here. Let's select it and add platform, and will be weekly. Your operations added successfully. When we update here, yes, in here is updated. Come here, and when because of is set weekly, it takes 4 times on a month, and it will be 3,600. It is our up in our budget, so the it's fixed, not fixed, and we can see that dynamically changes. That's color of new category. That's where we select the color in here. When we came the credit card menus, you can view our Netflix icon, which is a BMW icon in here. Also, that is infinitive loop. You can view that. In calendar view, you can see the budgets on a weekly or weekly. Yes, you can easily see them. Let's add, and that is the same in here and in here. Let's add one time subscriptions, sub one. I can't write it. Sub one time, and it will be on 60th of that of this day, and add BMW. When I added this platform, and when I selected one time, it will be one time payment in our start day. When we view here, everything is updated. You can view the one time subscription in that month, and this for is updated. When we select the when we change the month, our one time payment is gone because it is done in October. When we switch to November, it is not a November payment, so it will be not in, it won't be in November payments. That is the functionalities I added. That is all my projects. Thank you for watching.